Hello everyone, here I am in Olivino, in Lower Belgrave Street. Belgrave is our deli and wine shop. I have, for anybody who doesn't have any ideas or to have new ideas what to buy for Christmas, we have this very special product that is Franciacorta. It's not a Prosecco, but it's the equivalent of champagne, Italian champagne, and this is a top quality. Trust me, this chilled, it tastes like a champagne. The other important product is again from Italy, is the caviar. This caviar, we have a 50 gram and 100 gram, but also we can order a larger size if you want to, but with an advance. It's produced in Italy, near Milan, by this Ukrainian family who's produced caviar all their lives in Ukraine. And they bought this salmon farm in Italy, which was then transformed into a sturgeon farm and now produces amazing caviar, which has all the feedbacks we get is very, very, very good. So we hope to see you in our shop very soon. We wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.